Moonrise Ninjas. Today we are back in 007 First Light. Let's get back into it. Story. Yo, and guys, the last time my iPad's battery ran out and I did not notice it. So yeah, hopefully you guys will be caught up. But yeah, that just depends on where the game's saved. Oh, it's saved here. Okay, guys, to get you guys caught up, I gave up on trying to will the Jewel of Juhari, or whatever that was, because I realized it was rigged. So, and then I found this fighting arena where I killed a few guys, and now I'm fighting the big boss Hammer. Oh, god damn. Uh-huh. You think I'm gonna die today? Oh, hell no. Finish him. Oh, the ragdoll. The ragdoll. He stayed up and leaned on the goddamn fence. And was like, help me. And then bunk. That was quick. Ni howdy.
What's it like there?
You've been to Camden Market?
Of course.
Well, it's absolutely nothing like that.
You smart ones.
Okay, come on, Mr. Bond. Where can we drop you off? Yeah. No.
Bro, that was insane. You wrecked those guys. Like total surgical violence back there. Like, I mean it. Really. Hey, relax.
Move it. How did I get in here, might I ask? Oh my god, is Bond just dumb or?
In a real rush, kid. Find it.
Aha. Hold on.
You cost me a lot of money. Hand over the cash. Speed is along. Late for a meeting.
Electrical outlet. Oh, shut! Oh, come on. Ooh. That was not good. Not good at all. Yeah, guys, the PlayStation, no. My iPad's GB ran out mid video, but I noticed it right away. And plus, it's just classic now. It wouldn't be a Moonrise Ninja video. It wouldn't be the Moonrise Ninja channel without every few videos my store is running out. Oh, fuck you, man. Oh, cunt. Run. Yeah, this man is the one that's the real problem. All of the bottles straight to the noggin.
Look at that voice. I'll see myself now.
Move it, people. Mr. Bond coming through.
Too much, brother.
Get inside and find all the
I had to fight 3-4 guys, and my iPad storage ran out, so sorry, mister. Can I sicken dart these guys? I can't
You
sick.
took your time. Taking in the local sites.
Paid the man, Bond.
100,000. Cash. That thanks you for your contribution. Go through. If it's place you live, like it's your games, your choice. Want it done right or fast?
Huh. These wires have to come in handy.
Hey, I'm trying, okay? I don't know what's wrong.
These wires have to be connected to something, and I already know later in the mission it will be like equivalent. Either we will have to use them. Aww. He's still in his aw.
Here. Just like the leads, my friend. You have it. If you want, you can have the overthrow a small country. For the right price, of course.
What if we overthrow you? Bond just becomes the new leader.
Look at that. What kind of trouble? Certainly is. Jaguar Type 00. Batman special collection. New model in a room full of relics. Ring any bell, Greenway?
Keep talking like that. You might wind up buried out here.
Worth it.
No, this is ripped off. No, they just couldn't get a sponsorship deal, so they had to just take like a cardboard box or something, because that looks very cardboard
A
made.
place like this would have been shut down by now.
Control the chaos, control the flow, Bond. Keep Bulmer in play, you always have eyes on the game.
Oh my god. Come here, baby.
Bond, overthinking one.
Yo, give me that.
Take
Yeah.
a look at those markings.
Show me. You aren't kidding when you said Batman's connections ran deep.
That's why MI6 continues to let him operate. Here we go.
Yeah, no, I'm taking that.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yeah, I'm taking that.
have a seat and get comfortable so we can begin the auction.
You shut up.
While some of you have been here before, I see some fresh faces amongst our buyers. So, humor me while I go over our simple yet strict rules.
Sure, kid.
All bids must pass through the polygraph. 2. Should you fail the polygraph, you will be removed from the auction and forbidden to enter LF again.
Well, at least we know what the polygraph is for.
Lastly, bids are bound by blood. There are no retractions. Now, a quick technical trial. Place your hand on the polygraph machine in front of you. Approve, if you please. Miss Batman.
Nasıl şeker olacak Georgia?
Your turn, Mr. Tokevich.
Yo, I know a little Hindi. It's like, this is the truth. I want the jet.
If you please.
No, this is my name is whatever her name, Bahib Watch or whatever, and I want the jet.
One of our newer faces. Go ahead, please, Mr.
Easy now.
Call me James.
Call me James. I'm just here for the hors d'oeuvres and 3 drinks.
Dial it down.
Excellent.
The hell you mean?
Now that we've gotten the formalities out of the way, we begin with an opening bid from our new guests. Gentlemen, the bid is yours.
8 million.
$8 million US.
A cash bid. I'm afraid this isn't that kind of auction, my friend. You have forfeited your opening position, and the bid is now free.
हमारे सारे फोटोग्राफर्स
Safe passage to, from, and through all of our harbors. No inspections, no questions. Complete and utter diplomatic cover. Plus, a private jet and armed escort for Buffer.
for the rest of his life.
Now that is a real bid. Anyone care to counter Miss Baham's offer?
Safe passage is useful, but only temporary. I offer permanence. My organization will help fund and implement the next stage of infrastructure in Alpha.
Really prosperous indeed. Anyone care to raise the stakes? 2 offers on the table.
Let's have to tilt the table.
Anyone care to beat them?
Sabotage the next offer.
You read my mind.
I offer the next election in Mauritania. The ruling seat will be delivered in a gift wrapped. I also offer 4 European Union ambassadors, all of which have been compromised, of course.
Which one is he sitting at?
Well, that hasn't happened in quite some time.
What is this? Something's wrong with this
And
thing.
Mr. Leon, very surprised. You may leave.
Time to go, Mr. Leon. Watch this!
Mr. Leon, you are making a scene. We are done.
You have no idea what you're doing. We will not accept this. There will be consequences.
Can't do that again.
Apologies for Mr. Young's transgression. Sometimes emotions do tend to run high when the stakes are raised. Would anyone else care to make a bid? Going once,
Now's your chance.
going twice. Anyone?
All Scorpius and all affiliated organizations expunged from a lab.
Now that is what I call a wonderful offer. The floor remains open, though the bar has certainly been raised. Surely someone has something to offer.
I'd say
From this day forward, every weapon used by my soldiers, be it a rifle, drone, or artillery, will come only from the hands of Buff.
unlimited volumes.
Exclusive contract with unlimited volume.
I like it. Going once, going twice.
Around 3 decades of MI6 intel. What? Almost unexpected, right?
Interesting. How do you propose delivering this intelligence?
By giving you here.
It would appear the honeymoon is over. One TX-1000 Marauder drone sold to the boldest, newest buyer in Peru.
On, I swear to.
Thank you, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your stay here in LF. And you two gentlemen, please, join me over here if you will. Congratulations on your purchase, gentlemen. One of my men will be with you shortly to settle the bill.
The Englishman. Where is he?
You'll need to be a little more specific than that.
The ex-spy Bowden's hiding. Where is he?
Look around. You have no power here.
That man murdered 3 of our agents in cold blood. Bowden broke the rules. He's finished.
Your king's reign is over.
Nice try.
Pay attention, Picard. You only have one choice to make here. You can stay with Bavma, but you'll go down with him and you'll watch as we turn this whole place to dust. Or you could take the throne, and our superiors will continue to turn a blind eye to all that goes on here. Or don't you want to be king?
Throwing box seats at menu and we have a deal.
Stretford End, best we can do.
Ah, we both know that's not true.
Fine. Done.
Well, it appears you have some sway after all. You coming?
Yes. Yes, indeed I am.
See that crane?
What about it?
Underneath you'll find a boat. A gift from Bavma when he first arrived. A small slice of English civility here in the middle of the desert. That's where you'll find your friend.
How do we get to it?
By boat. Follow me this way, gentlemen.
A fox always has more than one exit. Bond, you head out on foot so he can't slip out the back. And you take me to that boat.
As you wish. And the offer? How do I know you'll keep your word?
If there are no nasty surprises, Aleph will be yours by the weekend. Move out.
Where am I supposed to flipping go?
Stop arsing around and get going.
Ollie gave us 009's location. Headed there on foot through what looks like a makeshift port.
I wasted some of my electricity bill over there.
And Greenway?
Taking a scenic route.
Alright, update Anne. Good luck.
Okay, this is.
Bond, I just pulled satellite imagery of the area. There's a lot of heavy activity on and off the water. Watch your step in there.
Copy that. Thanks.
Goddamn Mr. Bond, I don't care about.
Heading to the boat. Understood. I had a handle on it back there until you cut it. Oh, are you trying to prove yourself to me? Not what I meant. What did you mean? You could have flipped Ollie on my own.
We're in a hurry. I needed to speed things up.
Look at these boys. Right jolly pirate club.
How are we looking? Still closing in fast on our position. Looking at this, I would say we've got about 6 or 7 hours before that swell hit us head on. And we need to get everything off the water and watch out!
You stop. Well, well, well. There's another person here. Time to absolutely murder them. Honk, honk.
All my hair.
Oh yeah, that's sabotage. Bitch. Another one. Oh, Hot damn. Oh god damn. Bond felt like he was licking the wall. Like he stood, like no bottom movement. Cause I don't feel hot. I don't feel cold. Well, aren't you guys just the most jolly pirate club?
Stone's closing.
What? Look at these boys. It's a right jolly pirate club.
Stone's closing in fast on our position. Looking at this, I'll say we've got about 6 or 7 hours before that swell hit us head on. And we need to get everything off the water and processed before that.
And tonight?
Did you not hear me? Tonight is not happening. That storm is going to hit her.
You shut up. Oh my god. God, I love that. Mm. 10, 20, yeah.
Just there.
What's happened here?
Shit. Bullshit.
I'm not going anywhere.
Kill yourself. Kill yourself. Get out.
Well, that was fun.
$30. Well, let's go. Let's get in here, shall we?
Greenway, how can we be sure Ali hasn't gone straight to Batman? He's walking us right into an ambush.
Ali wants a left. He's been waiting for a chance like this.
Let's hope you're right.
50 cal. Very good. RPGs always move fast in here. So what happened to Aziz? Let that be a warning to anyone who thinks they can steal from Batman. He has eyes everywhere. Now get to work. I want this place cleared tonight. And don't forget about the Englishman. He's expecting a delivery. Raj knows what he wants. Speak to him if you have any questions. He's by the crane.
Bollocks.
here as soon as it's done and move them all in the market.
He's dead. What is that? A camera?
Greenway. Ali. We're really gonna get control of the left. The agency needs assets like Ali. Let's say a terrorist group is planning an attack on British soil. Then let's say said group travels here to tool up for it. With Ali sitting on the throne, we get a heads up. It's not all black and white. It's a lot of grey.
Someone there. That's in your head.
He's dead.
What's this? What is? Huh? Are you okay?
Don't even give him any chance to say. That is what we call a quick death. Okay. Going guns a-blazing. He's out. I dodged. Oh shit! I'm about to die. Oh. Well, that was not a very good idea, now was it? That wasn't a good idea, now was it?
This is all useless. Whoever locked this thing can. Something there?
No, you shut up. Oh, you cannot tell anyone about this.
That's a pity.
Shotguns are mid. I mean, they're good in other games, but this game, they're just not that. In this game, they're not too good. And, yeah. I'm gonna take this guy out. That's the guy of the video. I'm leaving that off here. See you guys next time.